Swagatam. A very good evening, everyone. It's a moment of immense joy, excitement as we gather here to celebrate the annual day of Lokmanya Shikshan Prasarak Mandal English Medium School, Chondikihi, of the year 2025-26. ज्यांच्यासाठी सज्ज झालो ते पाहुणे आले, ज्यांच्यासाठी सज्ज झालो ते पाहुणे आले, स्वागत करण्यास मन आतुर झाले, स्वागत करण्यास मन आतुर झाले. मान्यवरांचे आगमन झाले, आनंद भरून आले, मान्यवरांचे आगमन झाले, आनंद भरून आले. तुमच्या स्वागतासाठी शब्द अपुरे पडले, शब्द अपुरे पडले. A warm welcome to our distinguished chief guests, respected principal, teachers, parents, and our superstar students whose hard work and creativity bring this evening to life. Tonight isn't just an event, it's a celebration of achievement, talent, and dreams. Kickstart this beautiful evening with a prayer to blessing and positivity. By following our great Bharatiya culture, we will worship this stage of art for them. I invite them to worship the stage Vice Chairman Pramod Patil sir. Sir. I invite our judge, Keruskar sir. Invite them to worship the stage. Honorable Sulega Patil ma'am, I invite them to worship the stage. Marathi Medium Primary Section Principal Honorable Mr. Sandeep Patil sir, I invite Honorable Sulega Raut ma'am, I invite them to worship the stage. English Medium Second Primary Section Principal Mrs. Shreya Kautarkar ma'am, I invite them to worship the stage. Marathi Medium Primary Section Cultural Committee Member Chairman Vinaya Bhagat ma'am, I invite them to worship. English Medium Cultural Committee Chairman Mrs. Bhagyashri Mhatre ma'am, I invite Vice Principal Namrata Mhatre ma'am, I invite them to worship the stage. Swagata Mhatre ma'am, I invite them to worship the stage. नारळ वाढवणे हे शुभचिन्ह संस्कृतीची शान, नारळ वाढवणे हे शुभचिन्ह संस्कृतीची शान. आपल्या उपस्थितीने वाढला कार्यक्रमाचा मान. सुरुवात करण्या सोहळ्याची या व्यासपीठावरी, सुरुवात करण्या सोहळ्याची या व्यासपीठावरी विनंती आहे आपणास श्रीफळ वाढवावे आदरपूर्वक. मी माननीय प्रमोद पाटील सर यांना विनंती करते की श्रीफळ वाढवून आपल्या आजच्या कार्यक्रमाचा शुभारंभ करावा. थँक्स सर.
भक्तांच्या हाकेला ओ देणारा ईश्वर, भक्तांच्या प्रयत्नांना साथ देणारा ईश्वर, अधर्माचा नाश करणारा ईश्वर, तर सत्याचा विजय करणारा ईश्वर. चला तर मग या ईश्वराची मनोभावे नांदीमधून प्रार्थना करूया. We are starting this program with a Nandi. This Nandi is being present by the English medium and Marathi medium teachers and Veer Tilodkar is accompanying them.
गए सोनी
melodious performance. I know your heartbeats have honor, and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, songs, light, and joy. Well, here you are. Today we will have Rainbow of Culture program prepared under our teacher. So, without taking much time, I hand over our program anchoring to the student. Thank you.